Hi, this is Laura Reichard with MarineMax in Columbia, South Carolina. Going to go through the Harris 250 Sunliner 2019. Has your 12-foot bimini on the top there. Stainless steel ski tow, 150 Mercury, 4-stroke motor with the stainless steel prop. You got your 4-step ladder with the wide rails on the top. As you can see, everything is stainless steel upgrade. Same with your flip-up cleats. This here has the rear lounger. A lot of storage in the rear. Flip this back. And you have seating all the way around. Your tachometers, depth finder, stereo, Bluetooth, little glove box down there. Also has the 12-volt charger, USBs, plug-ins there for you. Plenty of cup holders. Little side gate over here. Along with, we have a larger one over here on this side. Place to put your trash. Storage area, or you can put changing room if you like. Put a porta potty inside. Large ski locker. Vinyl weave flooring. Flip armrest. Storage up underneath the helm. Comes with your tabletop. Comes with the fenders. Another door in the rear area. And this concludes the Harris 250 Sunliner. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 803-732-1104. Thank you.